Welcome everyone. I hope you are all doing well. So, no further delay, let's start today's topic. Our today's topic is chemicals in the human brain and their functions. Numerous chemicals in the brain help in receiving and interpreting information. Read this article to learn more about such messages and their functions. There are approximately 1 lakh chemical reactions which go on in a human brain every second. The human brain is like a radio transmitter that emits brain every second. The human brain is like a radio transmitter that emits measurable electrical wave signals. The various chemicals that are produced in your brain help in revealing all major stress that a person goes through. Cranial chemicals and their applications. Almost all these chemicals are also known as neurotransmitters, which means they help in passing and modulating signals between neurons and other channels or cells. A group of about 10 molecules and more than 50 neuroactive proteins from the neurotransmitters, several singular ions, as well as few fatty acids can also be classified under this category. The chemicals themselves cannot determine their effect, which is controlled by the receptor they go to. Normally, neurotransmitter molecules are enclosed in vesicles, and a synaptic deposition result is the opening of calcium ion channels, which releases them. This process is known as excitosis. When these transmitters are released through excitosis, they disseminate across the synaptic divide and stick to receptors. Reuptake is the process by which these transmitters are taken away from the receptors, which cleans the channel rendering no neuron stimulated. Neuroactive drugs that affect the brain are known to use the removal mechanisms to their advantages. The dopamine system, noradrenaline system, serotonin system, and cholinergic system are the major neurotransmitter systems in the brain. The chemicals that cause depression, serotonin and norepinephrine, are the main chemicals responsible for depression. Studies have shown that low serotonin levels in the brain can lead to anxiety, irritability, and sleep disorders that are normally associated with depression. Similarly, reduced level of norepinephrine, a chemical responsible for arousal and alertness, can lead a fatigue and a general depressed mood. Dopamine is another chemical in the brain that can cause depression in a few cases. Another fact about dopamine is that it is associated with addiction of alcohol and drugs, which can stimulate its production in the body. Antidepressants prescribed to people going through depression help in increasing transmission of brain chemicals like norepinephrine and serotonin. The medicines do not provide the body with any new substance. Instead, just slow the breakdown process of serotonin and norepinephrine, enabling the body to use these transmitters in the brain in a more effective way. Chemicals that make you happy. Serotonin is manufactured with help of an amino acid called tryptophan. This chemical in the brain helps to maintain a feeling of happiness and also controls mood swing, sleep, and anxiety level. Dopamine makes people excited and increases their tendency to talk. It also has a bearing on brain processes which control emotion response, movement, and the body's ability to experience pain and pleasure. Another chemical in the brain related to happiness is acetylcholine. Apart from exchanges enhancing a person's memory, acetylcholine is related to arousal and sexual performance as it controls blood flow to a person's genital. It is believed that a happy person has high levels of this chemical imbalance in the brain. Chemical imbalance in the brain is believed to be the cause for emotional distress and disturbances. There has been a lot of research done, but scientists have not yet been able to come up with the exact cause of chemical imbalances. However, the most potent theory on the